chilling before holiday. Hey, someone's knocking.
It's another Amazon delivery.
I don't know. This is food.
Oh, good. I need food.
It's heavy. Buy food. Let's see what's in it. Ooh, wow. Look at that. This is Yfood. Smart nutrition for the new generation. So this is ready to drink, complete meal, smooth vanilla flavor. Ooh, cold brew coffee.
Right, that's yours then.
It's 500 milliliters. I'm gonna love this. It's handy when you're on the go and you're hungry. You got nothing to eat or no time to eat. Just drink it. It smells nice. This is really nice. You want to taste it?
Yeah.
Nice, really.
Bye.
Don't go, it's mine. If you want to try Yfood, link is in the description. You can click on and discover Yfood.
Das ist gut.
Monday, early morning, 7 a.m. I start at 6. Got up 5. Start at 6 in this morning, but I'm already late an hour. I'm going Rochester, Corridor, taking some recyclables. On the back, my trailer was already loaded. I'm back on Greenhall. Arrived last night to the yard to move in because it's quite a bit of drive from my home. It's 3 hours, nearly 4 hours. So I arrived last night, moved in, sorted all my stuff, and in the morning I just had to get up and go. Get up and go. It's nice to be back. I'm a bit always concerned when I start Greenhall because it's far away, job is quite hard, I'm in quite tight places, it's a bit challenging compared to, for example, Amazon. When I'm here and when I start and I see the early morning sunrise in the countryside and country, driving on country lanes, these beautiful Scanias, all my pain goes away. And yeah, I'm happy, I love it. Probably I'm going to have a different opinion in a few days. I always have some challenging places when I say, why am I doing this? Why? But then it's okay. It's, you know, every job has some good sides and bad sides. Heading down Rochester. After that I don't know what, but don't really care. Just a job. September the 12th today, so it's early autumn. What? Roadworks. I've got paperwork.
Oh, thank you.
Alright. It's tight on both sides. Oh,
It's like a vibrator thing.
yeah.
Just put it around your neck.
Yeah. Where is the button?
Just here.
Oh, the
Yeah.
middle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah, I hadn't
You
had
can
this
go
before. Okay.
Thank you.
Cheers. to charge the controller for the walking floor remote. It's just gone flat on me when when I was doing loading, which is bad. Okay, now it's my nail. Nail is broke. What the hell? No time for a broken nail. You're right. Oh, you're there.
Your number plate again?
Pardon?
Your number plate.
The number plate.
Put it here. Will do, thank you.
Flies everywhere. Oh, but you have GoPro. Looks like I'm not going to leave from here anytime soon. Okay. I wanted to talk a little while driving, but I just realized I have to take a turn soon. Going Reading to a recycling facility. It's a public recycling facility. So the cars going in one side, tipping their recyclables, and on the other side, the lorries are collecting, like the bulk. So I've got a walking floor trailer on me, and I'm going to collect, if I believe it's going to be cardboard, because I've done this run before a long, long time ago, and it was cardboard. But surprises can happen. I'm in a Scania. The main reason of the speech is that I'm in a Scania finally. I love Scanias. It's so good. It's so nice to drive. I love it. And I realized I can use the tank gesture to grade other drivers like this. Like this. So basically when another Scania coming and you know them and they are in Scania, you can do this instead of waving or whatever. It's cool, isn't it? It's a really, really nice Scania, nice trailer. It's for green haul. I can use the tank. It's a beautiful sunny day again. It's Monday, yeah, it's Monday, that's true. There's still 4 more days to work, but it's okay. It's gonna be nice. I decided. I decided it's gonna be nice. You're right. I hope my controller is charged for the walking floor.
Okay, if I get you to sign here, signature, and then company name. Pull forward once you're fully on the bridge. Behind him, yeah.
Cool, thank you. I'm just checking the memory card because they bought a few new memory cards and they are faulty. When I start recording it says SD card error. Anyway, if it's still on, that is good. That means I've got some chance that it's good. So I'm going to have to reverse in there it's gonna be a little bit difficult because the gatehouse is in the middle and the fence is here. Anyway, I'm gonna sort it somehow. Is anybody behind me?
No, nothing.
Yeah.
No, nothing.
I'll go a little bit back and then
Pardon?
I'll go a little bit back then.
Yeah, do whatever you want to do. You got the whole yard to play around with. You're good. You're driving in anyway, ain't you?
Like forward?
Yeah. Your net's over the other side, isn't it?
Yeah.
Your net's on the passenger side, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can just drive straight in then.
Oh, it's not a reverse then?
But no. If your net was this side,
Yeah.
you'd have to reverse because it'd be, as he's loading it,
Ah.
he'll be loading it this side.
Yeah.
So if you reverse it, the net will be on the wrong side. So
Okay.
you can literally just drive straight in.
Yeah. Cool.
Alright.
Okay. I didn't know. The whole lorry is shaking like this. They fill it up as much they can because it's paper and it's lightweight. So he's like, ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, you want these things back?
Need a lot.
There you go. Alright. Bye. That's enough. So that was the recycling center in Reading, collecting dry cardboard and paper recyclables, take it to Snodland. It's a rainy day, but it's okay. The Weighbridge, which you have to reverse down. Let's do this. I'll be back in a minute. Don't be afraid, GoPro. I've got the radio. The beacon on. Don't like to reverse from here. Doesn't feel right. An old Russian truck. I think it's Ural, Zil or whatever. It looks cool. So I've got the paperwork. Just need to ring the customer if he wants it today or tomorrow. That is cool. Okay. I hope it's not a scratch, it's just dirt. Yeah. I really don't want to damage. Hi, good evening. It's Lina. I'm a green haul driver.
Hello.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I picked up some wood chip for you, and I'm just wondering if I could deliver it today or tomorrow.
Yeah, you can come today, that's no problem.
How am I going to find you?
Okay, you then go down the hill on concrete road. Okay?
Yeah.
And then if you get to there, call me.
All right then.
600 meters down the road?
600 meters. Purple gate
Yeah, on the left.
on the left.
Yeah.
I'm doing my duties on rubbish. I can see only plastics here, but I'm going to collect metal. They told me to wait here, so I'm just waiting. There is another walking floor driver is getting tipped in front of me, and she's a woman as well. Once I've been on this place long time ago with stobarts, and I remember the 360 operator was a woman, like a pretty girl. I'm really happy what I'm doing. I love to see women in operating big machines. I think it's cool for some reason. I don't know why. So we're doing a cool job, girls, if you're doing anything with big machines. Good evening, I'm on customer site. It's a metal recycling place, but sadly I arrived too late and they are kind of closing, so they wouldn't tip me tonight, but they are nice. They let me in the yard and guided me to turn around, spin it around, and now I stopped at the front of the place because I obviously need to look for an overnight location with the load on. And I'm at Doncaster. It's, you know, Doncaster is a bit not very safe. So somebody walked up to me and said, why don't you go to Morrison's car park? Car park? So he says, you don't believe me, do you? I said, no, I know the place behind Morrison's, which is, you know, a bit dodgy, but I don't know the car park. So he said, just park up for 5 minutes, I'll wash my hands and I'll go on there on my car and you can follow me. Okay, so just basically waiting for somebody to show me Morrison's car park for the night. That's gonna be fun. We parked it up for the night, but I'm not sure if it's a good idea. What if people are going to park up around me in the morning and I won't be able to get out? See what I mean? I need to park up somewhere. I'm not going to get boxed in my cars. Just one car. Just take one car which is blocking me and I won't be able to get out. So I might have to move somewhere else. I don't know where. Thank you. Bye. Never been on this bridge before. It was a pound. A pound.
Down by the deepest depths of the lake, I lay alone in the darkest place. My sorrow, dream of the sun. I just
Where is my truck? Where is my truck? There. Cabbage field. Beautiful cabbages. They are really nice. Stop to see the cabbages. I think they are beautiful. I'm going to stop for a truck wash. It's Friday afternoon wash down time for the trucks. Let's see how busy they are. Hopefully not that busy. Get it done quick. And then I can have a nice coffee while they wash my truck. And I don't have to do it on the yard. Yeah, cool. Thank you very much. Okay, no problem. Gonna be nice and clean. I think one side is done. Oh god, it takes ages. That takes a lot. I think I'm here for 2 hours now. How am I going to explain this for my boss? First I waited for 2 other trucks to get washed before me. Now I'm getting washed, but it's like I'm 39 minutes here. They just keep chatting.
wanna be the shiny one. I just wanna be the shiny one. I just wanna be the shiny one. Oh,
Go for it.
I just wanna be the shiny
You don't normally have this much trouble getting onto ride.
I'm tired.
Go to sleep.